What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris and this is Product Reviews, coming at you live today with another video. Well, it's live for me right now as I'm doing it, but not live for you. But anyways, here we are with another video. I'm gonna be working on a birdhouse again because I started this, might as well finish it, and I only want to record it while I'm shooting the video for y'all. I think some people will like it, some people won't. But this is the imperfect birdhouse part, whatever. You don't remember how far into this we are because I stay so busy and so crazy and so all over the place with family work and everything else that time just runs together. So, before we go too much further, we're obviously painting, and y'all can obviously see that. But we're going to start with this here. And we're kind of going to use this as our base coat, if you will. Our primer. You know, just something so that we can try to cover it and get a good even coating on everything. I guess that's how I want to say that. This is Zisser. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Cover stain, oil-based primer, stain blocker, bond coat, and all that good stuff. Kind of hold it there so you can read the rest of it. Danger, Peligro, don't know. I only speak one language. After we do that, we're going to go with this Rust-Oleum Painter Touch 2X Ultra Cover Paint and Primer Gloss Spa Blue. Well, I was going for a sky blue, but I guess spa blue will work. Also bonds to plastic, so that should work. And then we're going to go with this here Rust-Oleum Painter Touch 2X Ultra Color Gloss Clear. Seals and protects, revitalizes. Also bonds to plastic. And the reason why we're going to go with this last over everything is to kind of give it like a clear coat like your vehicle. So it has that shine, that sparkle, that sheen. Also that seal, that protection, and everything else, which would be pretty nice because this is over the top. Kind of looks a little rough, but it should be sturdy enough to stay there and hold there as long as we do what we need to do with it to protect it, because this is not pressure treated lumber, and it's not where was I gonna go with that? Anyways, it's not pressure treated lumber. It's just a board that I've cut up a bunch and screwed together, and obviously my cuts are perfect, better than yours, and I'm full of crap. But now I'm just talking too much. I want to get into throwing down some paint, so we're gonna do that. If you've gotten this far in the video, comment throwing down some paint or painting or whatever you would like to comment to signify that you've gotten this far through the video. And we're going to take these two and get them out of the way. Try not to paint the grass too much. Don't do that. Not really concerned about the grass. You know, the grass will be fine, but don't want to paint the grass because I don't want some weird looking grass. Also, among many other things, I am not a carpenter, I am not a painter, but we're going to do and have done one already, so we're going to do the next step now. I think that's enough. Don't look at the runs too hard. It'll be okay. Oh, ow, you stabbing my foot? That freaking sucks. See if I can do this. I really don't want to paint my phone. Not sure if it's gonna rain or not. I really hope it doesn't. I hope that wasn't a wasp either. That would suck. And just in case it was, we're gonna paint the grass where he fell. Cause that's some horse crap. Okay, I think that is far too much paint put on at one time. Hopefully it doesn't rain. I'm gonna let this sit here. Probably gonna come out and put another layer of this on there. And then keep layering it until I'm satisfied with how it is. Then probably before I paint another color on here, I will flip it and do the bottom, as long as the wasps and everything else stay out of my creation I'm building here, because that's honestly a bit frustrating. There was literally a wasp flying at my foot, and I think he was drunk from the paint. But here's where we're at for now. I really hope to do a little bit more here in a little bit. It's going to be a bit shorter of a video, but I'm hoping to pump out quite a few of them today. By quite a few, I'd say at least 3, maybe 2. We will see what happens, because obviously I can't, you know, just spray paint over paint over paint. It wouldn't dry. Gotta let it dry. So that's that. This is this. We'll be back in a little bit with some more stuff. And I keep looking at the sky. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but if you look there, it's getting kind of darker and cloudier that way. But if you look over here, I mean, it's still cloudy, but it's also sunny. And then that's some looking rain clouds over that way and everything else. So really hope it don't rain, because can't pick it up now, can't put a cover over it now. It's where it's at. So if the rain ruins it, the rain ruins it. We'll have to start over by painting over it after it dries, because that's totally the right way to do it. So as always, thank y'all so much for watching the videos. Thank y'all so much for liking, subscribing, commenting, telling a friend, telling your mom, sending a telegram, stalking everybody, getting the word out there about product reviews. Thank y'all so much for actually taking time to watch the videos and actually taking time to comment, because it helps me continue to make the videos better, which I'm not always good at. As you can tell, there's, like I say in a lot of my videos, I don't cut or edit it, because otherwise it would be not what I set out to do with this channel. It is here so you can see me purely doing or purely reviewing whatever I'm doing, and whatever bloopers come out or however it ends up, that's how it is. So as always, thank you so much again. It means the world to me. We will see y'all in the next video. Peace out.